Hello guys, it's a video for us to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So this is a shuffled cube. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like it's supposed to be like. Oh. Okay, so we have this soft cube. So so first of all, we're gonna learn some basics. In 3x3 Rubik's Cube, it's way much harder, the basics, but 2x2 Rubik's Cube has just one single basic. It's called the opposites. So opposites are the stuff like the colors. So like, are they opposite? Like for example, like these are ups, like that is in the bottom, that is in the top. So like it's opposite, opposite, and opposite. So now we're gonna memorize the opposites. Oopsies, yeah. After we're gonna we're gonna shuffle the cube and we're gonna solve the cube. So first of all, basics. White is opposite of yellow. Green is opposite of blue. Red is opposite of yellow. Orange, I mean. Yeah, those are only basics you need to learn. So yeah, let's get started. If you have a shuffled cube or you have a mixed cube, just to mix it again to be sure to learn. Now, if you already know how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube, this is gonna be way much easier because it's smaller. I guess that's the reason. I'm gonna shuffle it. Oopsies. Okay, so I have a shuffled cube. So now what we're gonna do is to solve the whites. How to solve the whites? Easy. You're gonna need to but some people say, okay, I'm gonna solve the white parts. Solving where it is, like to put it into place, it's way much easier. But that's not what I want. What I want, it's not this. First of all, these are supposed to be like this. So what we're gonna do is shuffle it again. And we're gonna learn how to solve it with those solved. So let's get started. Yeah, I already said that tons of times, but still, yeah. So if there's a blue and a red here, intelligent way, it's to just take out any white. And after, there's red right over here, and there's red right over here. So you're gonna need to put it right over there. So how you put it, actually it's easy. You can do it any way you want. First of all, if you don't want to damage anything, like other people don't want to damage, Well, you're gonna need to, right over here, you want that to be right over here. So you put it there, turn it like this, and turn it back like that, so it goes up together. And it solves. But, or somebody thinks this is way much easier. So this is how you do what is way much easier. But yeah, so you take this out, put this, and then after I'm gonna need to put it together so that it solves. So keep doing that, and it's eventually gonna solve all these and the white part. Second part, it's the yellow part. So I'm just gonna show you guys an example. These are all a bit like, but like what you guys need to learn is a bit of algorithms that you're gonna need to memorize. But it's pretty easy because, well, it's like patterns, but no pattern. Still, it's easy. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna now, I'm gonna now solve the yellow. So if there's a thing I like to call fish. It doesn't even look like a fish, but it's a technique whether yellow is right over here and another yellow, it's right over here. Or a yellow right over here, another yellow right over here. Or maybe there's a yellow right over here and yellow both sides here. So those are what I like to call a dot. But if you don't, a fish. So if you don't have a fish, well, you do this algorithm anytime. Like me, I don't have a fish here. So I'm just gonna, it doesn't matter, but white needs to face right over there. Okay, so now, yeah, let's get started here. I'm gonna just do that. So it still didn't make a dot, so you keep doing that. Now it made a dot. So if they have both here, well, let's choose this. If you didn't have it, you should do the same algorithm. If you didn't have this, you should do opposite, like this. But if you have both, you completely do it opposite. Like I'm gonna show you. So I'm just gonna make it. This is junk. Okay, great. No, not great. I'm seriously tired of this. So, what I'm trying to tell you is that if you have a yellow here, and yellow here, you can use here to do. No, you need to get to here, and then after you're gonna need to do that. So, what I'm just gonna do, because there's no yellow here, I'm just gonna do that algorithm, the complete opposite algorithm. Now that was it. So now, third part, it's to solve all. So most of you guys should have a piece that should be able to be solved like this. So yeah, right. And then now I'm just gonna if you have it, or if you don't have it, just in any time, but yellow facing you and the yellow right over there, you're gonna need to do this. If you have it, put it in the bottom, yellow, white still facing you, and yellow right over there. So now I'm gonna need to do this. So now you can solve it. So that's the trick, guys. And if you didn't have the pieces solved, and now you match it because they should be one piece solved like that. And after you do that same algorithm. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe it if you can. And yeah, bye guys.